And Nina has told me that the widows, to continue your loan program, you need 10 million shillings.
Na jangu nina kamugambira ngu program yanyu ya loan kubasa kugumizamu mletaga milioni 10.
And so I went and I have a friend named John Bardos, and he has a company named Art Bundles for Good.
Na jangu aina homi wanu wenu wamwita John Bonds ngu aina company ukandi ngakulingana mnonga.
And he has said, with his company, he has been able to give you not just 10 million shillings,
but
wait.
Wina company yeye tubabahire milioni 10 zonka mukonka
30 million shillings.
Konka babahire milioni 30.
So that you will be able to expand your
loan program.
Sati mubase kuzongera mu roni yanyu base kuhanguhamu
And we are hoping that maybe in the future he might even give us more if he can see the benefits that it is creating for the widows in this community.
Nagirangu nategeka kugira ngo mugwire bwo misho ubundi abasa kujya kutongera kubonja mu izindi sete bwanyuma yo kureba ngo rone sete zyabahereza zabasa kubagira umugasho munonga nk'abantu becangeki.
Would you like to say anything to John in the video? We can send it to him.
Ngwarechi mukwenda kugambira John bakachipata video then bakachimwohereza.
I want to appreciate in the name of widows groups for give us another money for loans, and even Nina and Henry take our appreciation for John, that widows we are happy for that message of giving us more money for loans. Thank you very much.